Okay, we start the software by double-clicking the icon on the desktop. It asks us if we'd like to see the movie. We're watching it right now, so probably not. Would you like to set up a new employer? Yes, we would. And it suggests a file name for that, which I'm going to accept. You can alter the file name if you like. And now it would like to know our license details. You can continue without a license, but in this case it does make things a bit easier that I've already registered and set up a license on our website. It would like to know the name of my company. I can either type in a new one here, or I've already registered one before on this license. So now it's asking the first payroll related question, which is, when would I like to start paying employees from? And I'm going to run a payroll from the 30th of April 2012. And I'll add an employee to that payroll. The employee's name is Alice Jones, and there is her NI number, and she was born in 1980. She didn't start this year, so we don't need to worry about starter documents because we already know her tax code. And she gets paid in the first month we're going to pay her. She gets paid £2,100. I can immediately, if I wish, go and run a payslip for that. And there's Alice Jones' payslip. Now, if I'm going to file RTI, I need to set up some details that tell the system about my RTI, which involves filling in this form here. So we've now filled those in, and you can see that I've filled in the tax office and tax reference, the user ID and password that I use to log into HMRC. Typically this user ID in a live situation is a 12-digit number or a mixture of 12 letters and numbers. The accounts office reference, that's the reference that you quote when you're paying HMRC. And because of the year that I'm filing is before the start of live operations in RTI, I'm going to put myself onto the RTI pilot. Let's advance the payroll to month 2 and it'll do the RTI filing for us. First it shows us a P32 showing what we owe HMRC for that month, and now it's put up this form inviting us to submit the FPS full payment submission to HMRC. This will take it a few seconds. And in the end that worked, and we've got a message showing that we've successfully filed an FPS with HMRC. If I want to, I'm now in month 2 and a new employee has just joined, and that is David Jones. He joined on the 1st of May, and he was born in 1982. He appeared with a P46, and this is his first job since 6th of April. And in his first month he's going to be paid £1,000. So because this is a new employee, HMRC will want their personal details. Really you should fill these in for everyone, whether they're a new employee or not. So we'll key in their address. And something else that it's important to fill in is their normal working hours. So you can either fill in what they're typically contracted to do, or if you select actual, the system each week or each month will fill in the actual number of hours they work that month and send those to HMRC. So that's a requirement for RTI. Now we're ready to advance the payroll to month 3. But first of all, we'll just do the payslip run. There are the payslips for the 2 employees. And then we'll advance the payroll to month 3. We get a P32 again. And we're ready to submit the FPS once more to HMRC. And the FPS for month 2 was successful. So it's simply a case after that of carrying on, advancing through the months, adding new employees, making them leavers if necessary, and so on. Thank you very much.